outside of JD Airsoft, and we are doing the 2023 Easter egg hunt. So let's see how it goes. Actually fit in there. Oh no, it doesn't look. Although it doesn't. It looks like it's a part of the gun. Got the green one in there. So I was genuinely going to just put one like that, just there, just like in the middle of like the top of the cabinet. It's too obvious, isn't it? It's too obvious.
Yeah, it works.
That one was a very sneaky egg, and I don't think anyone will find that one all day. But let's see. We've all had a vote, okay? The black egg is going to go in that case on the top, and then that one is going to go back on top of it. There we go. So whoever finds that in there wins £160 Agency Arms EXA. Yeah, I had to put something on the socials because they said to me, you know, people are going to turn up and start trashing the shop, and so I just had to put something like, you know, just please be respectful. Yeah. Okay, so we have an egg that has been found. Open it up. What does it say?
£20 off anything.
£20 off anything. Okay, so I'm going to give you the option. Did you come in here specifically for anything?
Not really, just we'll have a look.
Okay, cool. So if there's anything that you see and you're thinking about getting, I will take £20 off of anything. Or you can exchange it for £20 worth of BBs, up to the weight of 2 8s. So 2s to 2. Whichever's best for you.
I think I'll probably have the £20 off something.
Okay, fair enough. Cool. I thought if I put it down there, it's out of sight, but it's still in plain view. You see?
It's good to actually look at everything.
Yeah, you look at all this and you start looking through that and you don't think to look down there. You found an egg?
Yeah.
What's inside? I need to get this on camera. Open up.
Oh God. A bottle of BBs.
Okay. Bottle of .20 BBs. Okay. You can choose whichever brand you want. It's up to you.
You'd pick some then.
Do you want tracers or do you want normal ones?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
He doesn't care.
He never gets slow enough away to use the trace.
Fair enough. Okay. I say get normal ones then. There you go.
That's how you get on tomorrow first. So yeah.
So I'm not sure if you're aware,
Yeah.
but because it's Easter, we are doing an Easter egg hunt in the shop.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's 7 eggs overall. 2 have been found. There is another 5 that haven't been found. If you want to watch this, because this will be on YouTube if you're okay with being on camera.
Yeah, fine.
If you scan out, that takes to the YouTube channel.
Oh, brilliant, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you find one, let me know.
Yeah.
Okay.
It might loosen up, but if you're still having problems with it, like I say, we're happy to have a look for you. If you can get back into the store, that's no problem at all.
Way. Found one.
Found one.
Yeah. Let's have a look. Open it up. What does it say inside?
John Rick was holding
I'm assuming this will be for you, not for them.
3 can of red gas.
3 can of red gas. Do you use gas?
Yeah, green gas though.
Yeah, okay. You can swap it for a can of green gas if you prefer.
Yeah.
But obviously we put red gas in just because, you know.
Yeah.
So it's up to you, whichever one you prefer.
Yeah.
I mean, you can choose either the V6 or the Nut Pro green gas. If they've got one. I don't know. Yeah, got one. Yeah, and that's on me. So,
Thank you very much.
okay. Put it this way: some of them are in plain sight.
They are.
Some of them you do kind of have to move something to see it.
Are they
but,
colourful?
yeah.
They are.
But there is a black egg that is worth £160.
It's in
And
your
that,
pocket.
well, a lot of people have asked me that. A lot of people have said you should have put it in John Wick's pocket.
Now you've said that.
Yeah. What? Hey! Found one.
So I was going to start doing trick shots.
Open it up. See what's inside. You okay with being on camera?
I am fine with being on camera. That is a free bottle of green gas.
Okay. Do you use green gas?
I do. I have got a pistol, so it always needs green gas.
Fair enough. And that's on me.
Awesome.
Are you subscribed to the channel?
No. No, but I will be.
Because you're going to be on the channel then.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Awesome.
Alright, scan that. It takes you to the channel.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Alright.
And that's back to you.
Brand new. Now, we might do this every year, so
That's cool.
make a note of the hiding places for next year. Alright. Nice one. See you in a bit. Found it.
No, unfortunately, we put in all
You were not in there.
Oh, is it a decoy?
There wasn't a purple egg just there.
Well, there was 5 underneath and we've only got 4. So I think that's been put out just to tease you. This is the face of a broken man.
But I'm recording it. You can still have a bottle of EVs on me though if you want.
I wanted to find the proper egg.
Hang on, then, Sam. Hang on. You're the proper egg.
He's gonna say I don't like fruit in that. Oh no, someone else in uniform as well.
Sofas.
No. Are you aware of the Easter egg hunt that we're doing?
No.
So we are doing an Easter egg hunt. Yeah, I'll give you a card. So if you win it,
In the store.
yep. So if you win it, you'll be on the YouTube channel. So there is 7 eggs that we've hidden throughout the shop. They're all within reach. They're not hidden. Okay. 6 of them have been found so far. There's 1 left, and that one that is left is worth 160 quid. It's the most valuable egg. But if you have a look around the shop, most of these people that are in here have been here for about the past hour and a half, and they still haven't found it. So good luck. I'm not giving you any more. All the hints you need are literally in that last story that I put on.
So you know where it is.
I know, but if you're giving 160 quid stuff away, you're not going to give any more hints. It's in the shop. And I've already said, someone has been on top of it in this shop already and not found it. And it wasn't you, Sam.
No, I didn't say
In the past 2 hours. Guys, it's not egg. Exactly. I love that.
I do love it.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
It's turned into a chicken, it's been that long. I don't know whether you're aware of what we're doing today.
Nope.
Easter egg hunt. Okay.
Yeah, look everywhere.
There was 7 eggs throughout the whole shop from this morning. 6 of them have been found. There's 1 left. But that one is the most expensive one. And it's worth 160 quid. So if you find it, let me know.
Are they inside boxes or anything?
They're within reach. You do have to sort of rummage through things. That's all I'm saying. But some of these that are in here now have been in here for about the past hour and a half and they still haven't found it.
So, are we all lucky?
We're all looking now.
Never quit.
with a bit of chin wagging in.
Yeah, with a bit of chin wagging in between. Yeah. all the same, so not see you all.
You giving up?
I'm out. I got 5 minutes.
I've seen people crawling there off the floor.
You did earlier.
I was on the floor there and I didn't come here expecting to do that. I came for that.